Windscreen whiskey. Wish it was whiskey. Whiskey test fit windscreen. Part 1. You forgot to tell the cameras running, so it's all live. But yeah, so we'll have to keep our fingers crossed that. I actually had sort of like loads of things. I was getting a Rocco gaskets on. I was going to get the ignition just hot wired. And I just put a bit of power on the carbs and see if it'll start, which I could do.
Yeah.
People get motivated. There's a clutch light so I could do that, but I wanted to put the fuel pipe, but of course it had to be down the ground for you to get to do this. So so I never got the fuel pipe done because we had all that other drama underneath. So I got to fill it full of mineral oil to work into it. I see what really, I mean this is, if this goes up by the 10 mil, right, yeah, then that will get me the gap there. I think that'll alleviate some of the pressure on the other side as well. Right guys, you must have seen the windscreen fitter came. We had, he said it's 50 mil, so that's 50 mil, so I've sliced it and I dropped that back. This has come nice here. And that's looking good. That's come better, and that's come pretty good to the thing. This is still slightly bowed in, so that can be pulled out. But the issue is this side. It's wrong. This screen pillar is disintegrated completely. But what I did was I pushed it out on the top corner to get that aperture there good, which is where our problem was. And that's closed up. See that horrible thing? Or it's reopened again, but it's not bad. And that gap there, apart from the middle, is hideous. But we can bring the frame up. Look, and that down there is about parallel with the same side as the other side, and the door can go in a bit. So this needs to be chopped out, welded. This can be tipped out, welded slightly, and then I'm hoping I'll get Clive back for a second windscreen fit. And we'll grind all that into shape, and we'll see whether it's going to be a happy camper. Because I'm hoping that'll be it. If it isn't, well, no, you know, it does. But at the moment, we know the screen fitted, so things can only get better from there on. So we're gonna keep going. Okay, it's welded. I don't want to weld it. I don't want to weld it all up and then have it come out again and it doesn't fit. So this time I want to go for ones. No, I haven't altered this side. I haven't lifted it, and I measured it, and it's about the same. So I think that side was the problem, was it wasn't pushed out far enough. I think it has come out now. Looking at it, I'm looking down the side of it. I think it has come out quite a lot. So there's going to be a bit of repairing needed, but we'll soon see. So for the minute, like I said, if you enjoyed it, keep looking. If you didn't, don't look, because things can only get worse. And believe me, they will. But well, for all the people who sort of saying out there, well, yeah, you wouldn't do it like that, we're going to do it, you think, yeah, you would, yeah. Well, it doesn't really matter, guys, because it ain't your problem, is it? It's mine. So if I don't make it, I don't make it. But it won't be for the want of trying. So I will say, she does look a bit of a rough old girl. But you know what? She's an original rough old girl. And for all the comments about it's a collection of E-Type parts, they must be absolutely blind and stupid not to realise that when I pulled it out of the shed, the E-Type was complete. It hasn't cost me the sort of telephone numbers that most people will be imagining that these things cost. In fact, this is an incredibly cheap E-Type. Mainly because I owned it a long time, and mainly because I haven't gone stupid. So I will say that from that point of view, I think my car, it might be an old turd, it might be as rough as bugger, it might be terrible, but you know what? It's mine, it's an E-Type. If you don't like it, don't watch. If you do, then watch, because I am doing it.